See, we are born, or which is natural, is there this tendency, what was said about this, all these four varnas, when they are not taken care of properly, they can become vikrut, they can get distorted. All these tendencies can get distorted. And if they are taken care of properly, then they can become Sanskrit, they can become better. For example, the qualities of the Kshatriya and all, if one neglects them, if one don't take care of them, slowly they get distorted. And a person acts in a negative way. See, even this Mahabharata war, it was fought among Kshatriyas only. Duryodhana was also Kshatriya, and Arjuna was also Kshatriya. But Duryodhana was a distorted Kshatriya. Duryodhana, Dushasan. Similarly, in the world, you find that people have qualities, if they are not properly taken care of, same people become danger to the society. For example, a thief is there, a robber is there, and a police is there. Both of them have similar type of mind actually. Similar type means not that a police is a robber, but both of them have the thief has got the mind to steal, and the police has got the mind to understand this fellow's mind. To understand his mind also we require that type of what you call tendency. If something goes wrong with that police, he can become a robber. If something goes right with the robber, he can become a police. Or some other example. A terrorist or a gunda in the society. If something proper happens, that person can become a protector of the society. So, kshatriya gun hai, lekin it is distorted. It has gone wrong. Even what is his name? Ravan. Ravan was what? By nature he was, in the sense he was born in a Brahman Kula. Not Rakshasa means, don't think that 10 heads and he was moving and all. But he was so bright and brilliant and intelligent, he was a Brahman. But he's gone bonkers somewhere. One of his head became defective. Which one he did not know. Therefore, there Rakshasa, if you ulta kare to Sakshara. Sakshara means educated. Rakshasa means educated but distorted. All so-called people who are doing all negative things, they are also quite intelligent, very smart. Very smart. But that smartness is destroying the world. They are not good, they are just smart. So these four varnas, if they are distorted, they can become totally negative and can destroy us and the society. So they have to be, though it is natural, something which is natural also has to be taken care of, and one has to put proper samskar. That's what Bhagavan says, that sve sve karmani abhiratah samsiddhim labhate naraha swakarma nirata siddhim yatha vindati tashrunu. So how one should perform this action, what should be the attitude in performing action, how we can make use of what is natural for us in order to gain the ultimate state of enlightenment, that Bhagavan says, I will tell you, and he tells in the following verses, which we will see tomorrow.